Great sales is the result of great listening. Listening is the superpower that helps you understand other people's attitudes and motivations. It's the juice that allows you to build high trust relationships. And it's something that can be learned, practiced, and improved. So let's talk about selling smarter by listening better. Some people are naturally good listeners. When others speak, they eliminate noise and distractions and engage fully with the person talking. For everybody else, there's hope. You too can become a better listener and drive more sales by following two simple but powerful techniques that make an immediate difference. You'll end up getting more of what you want by giving others more of what they need. Rule number 1, be a reflective listener, not a reflexive listener. Too often sales reps reflexively launch into their pitch without really understanding what the prospect wants or needs. That's selling, not solving. And when people feel pressured or pigeonholed to buy, they're more likely to pass. Instead, be a reflective listener by really paying attention to what's being said or left unspoken. What hopes or fears or concerns is this person communicating? What assumptions is this person making? What else might be going through this person's mind? Before you respond, make sure to allow yourself some wait time, a few moments to reflect on what the prospect is actually saying to you. By shifting from a reflexive to a reflective approach, you'll give others more space to share and be heard, helping you reach a more complete understanding of how to help. Rule number 2, listen with your eyes, not just your ears. What people show matters more than what they say. We know people's body language reveals how they really feel, which is why great listeners close sales with their ears and their eyes. They pick up on the body's telltale signs to gather insights, to read their prospects in real time. If you notice a sudden change in someone's body language, bring it up. I'm noticing that my last point made you feel a little uncomfortable. Am I getting that right? Create an opening for conversation, because paying attention pays. There you have it. Be reflective, listen with your eyes. If you want to earn more trust, demonstrate greater empathy, and yes, close more sales, then take stock of how you're seeking and receiving information from your prospects. Selling is listening. Do it right. You might just be surprised by what you hear.